Hey guys, we were buying this on Friday. I guess we hit a target. Selling this, I don't remember exactly. So, anyways, guys, the question will be what are we doing for today, guys? For today, as long as we are above, I've got gone to 15 minutes, we are above 1.35968, guys. We are immediately bullish. And, guys, the next target would be 1.36177. And, guys, if the price breaks below 1.35968, guys, we will be going to 1.35805. Remember that, guys, even if we are break through 1.3569968, guys, we are still bullish. It will be a minor bearish correction, guys. We only will become bearish if the price breaks below 1.35805. And then, guys, my target would be I would have one target for today, and that, guys, that would be 1.3583. So, wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.